Good morning, everyone. Good evening for people joining from India. We'll begin today's session on Devi Mahatmya, which is the glory of Divine Mother. And to introduce Swamiji, I'd like to request Swami Atma Swarupananda to please introduce Swamiji for this talk.
We met for the first time on 26 January 2014 in Cuttack. That time he had a very small ashram. And he has given me Diksha for 3 times now. And finally made me a Ma, matlab total sannyasin I would say. And we are really, I'm so much at peace. Always learning new things, and I know the importance of all these things, keeps giving pravachans and keeps telling us to do the normal, meditation and this thing, japa, mantra japa, karam yog. And we visited his ashrams also for so many years. It's really been a lovely, long journey, and I continue to be very appreciative of his, that he's taking so much interest in us. So now I think he's brought us a long way now, so we should continue with it. And I know that he told me the mystic stories of Ma and all that, which are really interesting. And he gave us so many mantras and so many things and helped us all along with this long journey, spiritual journey. And I think I'll be visiting his ashram sometime in January when he comes to Cuttack. He's coming this month, I know, November.
Thank you very much, Ma Atma Swarupananda ji. She had initiated by me as sannyasi. Now I'll sing some prayer and do. Manna Sri Jagannath Madguru Sri Jagadguru Modatma Sarvabhutatma Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Niladro Sankha Madhye Satudala Kamale Ratna Singhastanantam Parvarankara Yuktang Navaganurutiram Sanjukta Chagrajena Vadraya Vama Bhage Rathacharanadutam Brahma Rudrendya Vanjam Vedanang Saramisang Sadhana Parivritam Brahmadarung Smarami Om Guru Govindaya Namah Guru Govindaya Namah Guru Govindaya Namah. Dear friends, my name is Swami Adyananda Saraswati. I stay in America for 6 months, and rest of 6 months I stay in my ashram. Today's topic, worship of the Divine Mother, Mother of the universe. There is a scripture named Devi Mahatmya. Includes also Durga Saptak Shakti Chandipat. The essence of Devi Mahatmya is derived from the portion of Markandeya Purana written by Vyasa. Here, Mother's aspect of God is recognized, Divine Mother. This Devi Mahatmya includes a lot of stories, mystic, descriptive stories for the individual soul, going for the liberation. So, journey of the individual soul on the path of darkness to light. Journey of the individual soul from the misery of bondage to the bliss and enlightenment. Now, if I think God as a father or God as a mother, same God, then what is the quality of God as a father? God's father is truth, knowledge, power, infinite, justice, abstraction, sublimity. Qualities of mother: beauty, bliss, love, compassion, grace, infinite. This is the quality of the mother. Many aspects, people worship only God, and in many aspects, people also worship mother. Mother aspect of worship is well developed among Hindus. Why mother aspect is there? The concept of God as the mother is more fulfilling than the father. The love of the God for mother is deeply rooted in the heart than the love of the father. Although the father and mother is one, goal of the mother is sends the children individual soul on the path of sadhana with the help of father. Father, mother takes help of the father for the individual soul, Jivatma, on the journey, path of the celebration, how with spirituality. Karma yoga, bhakti yoga, jnana yoga, jnana yoga. She is bestowed by the knowledge, intuitive knowledge. That knowledge gives him the bliss. Jivatma, she is no more Jivatma, she is Paramatma. She is freed from the cycles of birth and death. And bliss only. Mother, father, and such sin becoming one. No more anything. No more multiplicity. No more duality. Everything is merged. This is the mother. What mother does for us? Aim of the mother. Divine mother balances the movement of the aspirant to the path of celebration. Like a mortal mother, care her child in love and reality. What is this mother? Who is this mother? Mother and father is one. Remember, Brahman is all associated with the Mula Prakriti, primordial energy. This primordial energy and the Brahman, they are co-eternal. This Maya Shakti, she is also known as the Maya, cosmic Maya. They are co-eternal. How? The fire Shakti is heat, and fire and heat there. That is the Brahma Shakti. Remember, now I told only Brahman that time, now I am Shakti. Brahma and his Shakti. Remember, we have to know Jagannatha, Mahavishnu, Balabhadra, Sadasiva, Subhadra, Brahma Shakti cha Pranamami Murpunna Punna. Brahma Shakti. Remember. So, this Shakti is an Atma Shakti. Then Atma Shakti is in the core of your heart. Remember, Atma Shakti manifests as Jnana Shakti, knowledge, energy of knowledge. Icha Shakti, energy of power, in will and desire. Kriya Shakti, energy of the action. Three types of Shakti. Mother Kali. Okay, we have now described the Navaratri. There I discovered Kali. Navaratri, the first 3 days, second 3 days, and third 3 days. Navaratri Puja is celebrated in India from half lunar month of Ratam Ashwina. For 3 days, the worship for the Mahakali. Another 3 days for Mahalakshmi. Another 3 days for Mahasaraswati. Kali, for first 3 days, Mahakali is worshipped. Kali is very terror that time. Bhayankara Mahakali. She levels the ground. She destroys all gross impurities accumulated in your children by the worm from the many, many births. What are the moral? What is the demon? This Prakriti, negative accept of the individual soul, is symbolized as Rakshasa, Asura. Asura is not much there, all the Prakriti is just symbolized. What is the Prakriti? Kama, Krodha, bound desires, anger, greed, delusion, ego, and jealousy, conceit, craving desire, sensuality. All the things are each is one demon. And Mother Kali destroys them. For 3 days, she destroys these things. She becomes Bhayankar that time, Bhayankar face. She rides on a lion with trident of Trishula, time, space, causality. So, she did all these things. And another 3 days, she destroys all the gross impurities accumulated there. More. Another 3 days, Lakshmi was worshipped as Lakshmi. Icha Shakti. Lakshmi, same Kali becomes Lakshmi. Lakshmi gives 2 things, Prabhuti Marga, Nivruti Marga. She gives the material wealth to children. If children know we are spiritual knowledge, wealth, she transcends them to Saraswati. Saraswati gives this, destroys the ignorance and ego, and gives knowledge of the enlightenment. So, the demoniac characteristics are destroyed in case of Mahakali. What is happening? Time to time, individual souls, we people have a lot of negative things. That should be corrected. In 3 days, then individual soul should promise, I should get rid of my bad habits and be endowed with good habits. What is good habit? Truth. knowledge. Bhakti yoga, karma yoga, bhakti yoga, dhyana yoga, from reason to the intuition. They should permit. These 3 days I am promised before my Divine Mother Kali, I should correct myself so that there will be no more cycle of birth and death for me. I should not die and live again, cry and cry. That's why there is this divine, that gods have praised the gods, small gods, angels, gods. They have prayed the mother. Ja Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matrurupena Sanstita Namaste, 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 Namo Namaha. This is the Ja Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matrurupena Sanstita. Ja Devi Sarvabhuteshu Vishnu Mayati Sabdita Namaste, 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 Namo Namah. Salutation, salutation, salutation again to Devi, who are all being Vishnu Maya. Adoration, adoration to her. Ja Devi Sarvabhuteshu Jnana Rupena Sanstita Namaste, 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 Namo Namah. Salutation, salutation, salutation to her who is among the people, all creatures, all beings, as knowledge. Ja Devi Sarvabhuteshu Buddhi Rupena Sanstita Namaste, 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 Namo Namah. Salutation, salutation, salutation to Devi who is among the beings as Buddhi. Similarly, as hunger, shadow, power, thirst, forbearance, caste, shyness, grace, faith, beauty, prosperity, effort, memory, truth, and mercy, contentment as mother, as delusion. Who is all called among all beings as sustainer of all? The Mother Divine has created the whole Vishwa and sustains this Vishwa and dissolves this Vishwa. Vishwa is his sport ground. All of the universe is sport ground. He wants to do something. He wants to see his own individual soul. They are rotting, suffering. How they go to celebration? He wants for that. That is the whole thing. Now I call Ratri Sukta. There is known as Ratri Sukta. The Ratri Sukta, traveler is going in the dense forest. Dense forest. In dense forest, she is known what to do. She is crying. There is no place. Dark, dark, dark. Suddenly it becomes dawn, light, and more blazing light. The traveler becomes happy. So Ratri Sukta is the thing, is contents. Just a minute. Okay. So in this world, Ratri Sukta for 3 days, it is known as Durga, terrible Mother Durga. We are worshiping terrible Mother Durga. She for the dark night, it Durga, her mother. She removes all gross impurities for his children. and there is going to dawn, then the light come. From darkness to light, blazing light, silver, dazzling light is come. Purity, magnanimity, humility, the Mother Lakshmi. Then they happen, again the darkness is gone, then comes this not as beautiful light. That is Ma Saraswati. See how these things are there. Mother, she knows all these impurities in me, child. I have to destroy the impurities. There is distraction like impurity in the people in the subconscious mind or chitta. Big chava. Here, subconscious mind, thought waves go away randomly here and there. There are Mahishasura. And Mother wants the mind to be still. That is the whole thing is there. Now I come to the story. Now we found the aspect of Mother, and I have told us the story. There are two ways, Vasya and Raja. Raja's name is Suratha. He was deprived of his kingdom. He was defeated by the enemies due to treachery of his ministers. He left his kingdom and fled away to the hermit of Medha Rishi. Medha means intellect. There is a Vaishya merchant. He was deprived of his children, wife, all the relatives. They drove me away from home only for sampati, wealth. Wealth is one obstacle because of danger for the people. For the wealth, man can do all injustice. So Sumedha, Raja Suratha and Samadhi both came to Rishi Ashram, Medha Rishi. Maharishi, why was facing all the problems? What are the problem for us? Maharishi told there is Jagadamba. You think of Jagadamba, Jagat Amba. She will tell the story of, you can hear it. Once upon a time, whole universe was dissolved, and there is Avyakta, water everywhere, and there is nothing there. Lord Brahman, Vishnu, was sleeping on the couch of Sasanaga. Mahakali was present, appeared. Mahakali, discussed, tried and skull. He appeared there. What is skull? Why Mother Kali have a skull? Dispassion. Nothing is permanent in the world. That signifies everybody will be a skull. So immediately from the impurity of the ear, from the impurity of the ear, emerge two demons. And two demons are very, very bright, strong. And Brahma was there in the Navi Kamala, lotus of Vishnu. He was very much scared. And these demons want to kill Brahma. Brahma was waiting there for the new creation. Then Mother Kali awakened the Brahman to get up. He entered in body. Brahman, Maya Shakti is Kali. Maya Shakti, Kali and Brahman work together for restoration of peace in the world universe. So Vishnu emerged, then get up. And there was Yuddha, fight, very much big fight for many celestial years. Many celestial years. And Mother Kali deluded these demons. They asked, Vishnu, we are very happy. And if you want any boon, Vishnu told, if you want to ask a boon, how you will be killed, tell me. They are laughed. You cannot kill us. There are all water. How can you kill? Yes, I can kill. Come on. This my thigh is a cheetah, Suddha cheetah, purified antakaranam. Then take the head of this Madhu and Kaitava, we discussed. What is significance of this? What I learned from this? What is the Madhu and the Kaitava? Madhu means sweet, Kaitava means bitter. There are 5 afflictions in a man: ignorance, asmita, raga, dvesa, avinivesa. 5 afflictions: ignorance, ahankara, ego, raga, dvesa, madhu, honey, bitter. Madhu, Kaitava. So, when the afflictions of these things happen, mind of this aspirant become afflicted, ignorance, and demons come that time. When demons come, when demonic characters comes, when mind is not there in the proper way. Demons are not demons. Dark forces, moral, gross impurities. So, gross impurities, we shall tell that demon. Ma, Kali, and Brahman, they are together. One is fire and heat. If fire and heat work together for the restoration of peace, destroy the impurities. What happened? When they destroyed these impurities, demons are destroyed. In Kundalini Shakti in Manipura was pierced. Remember, the Kundalini Shakti, this Manipura, Rajasthan, Manipura, Naval, that area pierced the Kundalini. All demonic characters are dissolved. That is known as Krama Shakti, Krama Granthi. Similarly, different chakras will go and demonic character will go for the path of celebration, realization. Do you remember in Durga Puja, there is a process of Balidana, body. People are so much illusion, they destroy the gods and all the things. What is the Maulik body? Each body is a demon. The demonic characters in you. You sacrifice this as symbol, just like a god body. But not like the Pasu body. So much illusions are there in people who cannot understand. Okay. So, human misery throughout the cycles of birth and death caused by the avidya, ignorance, in turn promote the permission of raga, dosha, all these things are described. You have to destroy the Madhukaitava from you all the time, demons. What happens? It comes from the impurities of the karma. What is the mystic side, mystic things of that? Impurity from the ear. If we cannot hear anything where scriptural knowledge is talked by the saints, that makes the demon to come. Remember, significance of the impurities of Vishnu, demons were born. Now I explained Madhu Kaitava in the Manipura Chakra is there. Naval region, when the impression of raga, dvesha are destroyed, the spiritual aspirant is endowed with dispassion. The knot of Brahma Granthi, Karma Granthi is pierced. Destruction of Madhu Kaitava leads to realization of Satchitananda. When the Madhu Kaitava are destroyed in the Nabhi Chakra of Kundalini, Manipur Chakra there, then Satchitananda and power of the purity state gone by all the chakras. Dhire dhire, Manipur Chakra, Anahuta Chakra, Visuddha, that happened. In brief, story of goddess in the role of Mother Kali, who is also known as Durga, Devi Maya. She is the goddess removal of all obstacles from the path of leading the self-realization. Om, that sloka for Kali Dhyana. Om Akshasag Paraso Gade Sukritam Padang Dhanuskundikang Danda Sakti Masing Charma Jalajang Ganta Surabhadanang Tulopasudandati Tadaditing Sasti Prasannadanam Sati Sauri Bhammadre Jayadi Mahalakshmi Sarvaditam Madhicina coming from the Lakshmi. Kali Dhyana is the Kali Dhyana. Om Khargang Chakragadesu Chapa Paridhan Sulang Bhusandi Sira Sankha Sandadati Karastri Nayanang Sarvanga Bhusa Pratang Chahantu Madhukaitabe Jalabadhu Swaya Vasanti Haru Nirasam Jyotidang Padam Susakang Sebe Mahakalikang. Mahakalika Dhyana. I adore that Mahakali who was invoked by the Lord Lotus Ban Brahma while Lord Vishnu slept for the destruction of Madhukaitava. I adore that goddess who holds in her hand the sword, discus, mace, all the weapons, who has the three eyes and is adorned with the divine ornaments, who is luminous like a blue jewel. I prostrate her in him. Okay. Now comes the Mahalakshmi Puja. So, what happened? Mahakalika destroyed all the impurities. Now the Mahalakshmi Puja. Mahishasura Baddha. O Aksha Sakpartu Gadesu Krisang Paramang Dhanuskundikang Danda Sakti Tamasing Charma Jalajang Kanta Surabhajanang Surapasa Sudandati Tadaditi Haste Pasannananang Seve Sauri Bhavardinakang Mahalakshmi Solita. Now what happened? There is a Mahishasura, distraction. I have already discussed Mora, Vikhyapa, Aparana. There are three obstacles for the realization. Murder is gross impurities I have described when I speak about Kali. Distraction is a Mahishasura. Mind is distraction. This demon appears in the form of buffalo. Seat of lotus is a symbol of unfurlment. With the advent of Mahalakshmi, an inspiration begins to conquer the distraction of the mind. Mahalakshmi, what he gives? Humility, distraction of my mind, fearlessness, truthfulness, fourth habit. So, what happened in the story? Ancient time, demon is known as Mahishasura. He is a mighty power who was given a boon from Brahma, the creator, that nobody can defeat him except a woman. Only one woman can defeat her. So, Mahishasura is very sure there is no woman to kill me. Woman has no more such power. That's why he drove all the devatas from the heaven and all the gods. They're walking like mortal persons in the earth planet. And Indrapada was vacant and Mahishasura was on the throne of Indrapada. So all the devatas approached Brahma. Brahma with all the devatas, the gods, approached Vishnu and Shiva. So Brahma related the story of Mahishasura to Vishnu, Shiva. Vishnu and Shiva was very angry, very much angry. From their anger, a lady, a woman was created, appeared. Lustrous, beautiful woman. And all the devatas give their shaktis to Mahalakshmi for fighting with Mahishasura. A terrible battle followed between Devi and the demons. Demons discharged their innumerable weapons. Devi hurled various spears, made use of weapons. Destruction of Mahishasura. When the arms of Mahishasura were destroyed by the Devi, great commanders of different Chamara, Gira, everybody came here. The atmosphere was filled with the rattling of the instruments of war, roars of the lion, shrieks of the demons. All the war culminated in destruction of the demons. And there was a big fight there. So fight is there, and lastly, Mahishasura was killed, and devatas were very happy. What is the glory of the Mahalakshmi? Indra and gods were immensely pleased when they saw the destruction of the great demon, Mahishasura. They offered prayer with their hearts filled with demons. O goddess, by the glory of your power, Brahma creates the world, Vishnu is able to sustain, and Rudra destroys. The grace is withdrawn from them. They would not be utterly unable to do their work. Therefore, O goddess, thou art the creation, sustainer, and demonstration of the things. So mystically, what of the prayer? Prayers offered by the gods explicitly describe the glory of the goddess and her nature. Mother Goddess is all that truth, essence of the entire creation. We have described how the demons Madhukaitava represented the moral and impurities in the gross form, and how they are destroyed by the goddess through Vishnu. So, destruction of Mara, the Kundalini pierces the Manipura Chakra and Brahma Granthi. This is characterized by Karma Granthi. In the second stage, spiritual development, the aspirant was confronted with the subtle obstacles in the form of a Kama Granthi. Kama Granthi, not of desire. Mahishasura, the demon presiding over the Rajasa Guna, outgoing energy, which is various forces in the form of distraction, mostly distraction, veiling, subtle principle of inner vices, killed by the goddess. That is not the Vishnu Granthi. So Vishnu Granthi was in Anahata Chakra and destroyed. So this rise, Vikhyava, and all the bad qualities were destroyed by the Anahata Chakra. The Kundalini power is ascending from Manipur to Anahata Chakra, then it's going to Vishnu to the Visuddha and Ajna Chakra. Gradually, Visuddha Chakra is right at the throat of and Ajna Chakra located between the eyebrows. Mahishasura is dead. Rajasa Guna is no more there. There prevails only Satya Guna. So, this is the whole thing spiritually, it is known. Okay? Any more question? Now, the fight of Sumbha Nisumbha will come. Described first the gross impurities were destroyed in Mahakali. Distraction, all the bad qualities such as when Mahishasura was killed. There is one more thing, is Avarana. Avarana is there, veiling ignorance. In time of when Nisumba will die, Mamatto, Ahamatto, ego. That time will be destroyed, the covering of ignorance. Covering of the ignorance will be destroyed at the time when Shumba, Nisumba will be destroyed, and ego is, that is Saraswati. Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati. Durga is the Kama Shakti, Lakshmi is the Ichha Shakti, and Saraswati is the Jnana Shakti. So I have no time now. We shall speak about the Jnana Shakti Saraswati symbolically, how Sumbha Nisumbha, Dumbralochana, all the Asuras Takshas were destroyed, and finally Sumbha Nisumbha. So Sumbha Nisumbha are this Mamatta Ahamatta, minus highness, and ego. Ego was destroyed, Ajnanata destroyed. So no more Ajnanata there. That time, Sabana, Manana, Nididhyasana died. That time, Prajnana Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi, Tum Tattvamasi, Aham Atma Brahma. All these things will come more and more. And goal of the traveler, the path of darkness, and again, and removing all the ignorance, have self-realization. Hari Om. Hello?
Thank you, Swamiji. As you know, Devi Mahatmyam, or Durga Saptaswati as it known as, has 700 shlokas. So it's a huge subject. It's not possible to cover all aspects of it during one class, one 45-minute class. So like Swamiji said, he is going to have a second session around maybe 6th of November on Kali Puja day to cover the rest of the Devi Mahatmyam, whatever we can cover. But we are
Okay.
so grateful.
I have a third page, the Saraswati.
Okay.
Danda, Munda, Duvralocan, Sumbha, Nisumbha, Raktavrija. The mystic things. So if you have time, we can do other sometime else.
Yeah, we may have another couple of classes to cover the entire subject, but we are so grateful to Swamiji for giving us this knowledge on the occasion of Navaratri. I'm going to open the forum now to ask questions to Swamiji,
See,
or if you have any
there are
comments.
all mystic things. Let me tell you, mystics. Devi, Mahashakti, Mahamaya, and Brahman, that one. You should remember. They are Shakti joined together. One work with other. Brahman is working with Kali, Mahashakti, Mahamaya all the time. Heat is the Uttapa. Agni, fire is Uttapa, is working together. All the universal Lila.
Baba, may I ask a question?
Hello?
I have a question, Baba. So you said Mala is impurities. Then you also said Abarana is ignorance. So how is impurity?
Abarana.
Abarana is
Covering of the ignorance on the jnana, knowledge.
Mhm.
Covering of the ignorance on the knowledge, unless it's destroyed, how you have self-realization? So Jnanata, how will it is destroyed? What is the way? Sabana, Manana, Nitidyasan. Go to a guru, Brahmanista guru. He will tell you, you hear his reflection. Nididyasan, intense meditation. Meditation may be for guru, aparaksha jnana. Paraksha jnana, aparaksha jnana. Aparaksha jnana, you understand that you are Brahma. And paraksha jnana, you are Brahmasmi story. So when all these things happen, what happened? The intuitive knowledge appears. Chatushthoga, chatusthaya, viveka and vairagya, dispassion, shanta, dhamma, titiksha, upariyati, samadhana, muhur, intense desire of Brahma Shakti. When this happens, along with the Sabana, Mananidhyasana, the intuitional knowledge comes. Intuitional knowledge is different from the intuitive knowledge. It is Parashakti. This knowledge will destroy all the accumulated karmas of the many births. Destroyed. Agami karma destroyed. Nothing. You are Brahma yourself. You are the Mukta Purusha. Then after death, you don't come back to earth. You are marked in the Brahman. That is the whole thing. That Agmarana, we have to destroy it all the time.